Hi, and welcome to Gadget News and Review. We are home to some of the coolest gadgets, and the best consumer reviews online, buyer's guides and features. If you like our review, please subscribe for more upcoming reviews videos. Logitech G502 Proteus Spectrum RGB Tunable Gaming Mouse. G502 features an advanced optical sensor for maximum tracking accuracy, customizable RGB lighting, custom game profiles, from 200 up to 12,000 dpi, and repositionable weights. Logitech G502 Proteus Spectrum RGB Tunable Gaming Mouse. The high-performance, premium build quality, advanced gaming features and incredible comfort of G502 combine for a truly exceptional and highly customizable gaming experience. Advanced optical sensor. G502 comes equipped with the PMW3366 optical sensor with zero acceleration, smoothing, or filtering across the entire DPI range 200–12,000 dpi. That means you get exceptional tracking accuracy and consistent responsiveness no matter what sensitivity you set the mouse to. On-the-fly DPI. Add even more control to your game with quick DPI shifting from low to high sensitivity. Use the thumb button to transition between headshot precise low sensitivity targeting to lightning fast high DPI maneuvers. Cycle up and down through as many as 5 DPI settings with a click. 3 DPI indicator lights tell you which setting you are on. Program these DPI settings with Logitech Gaming Software (LGS) or use the default settings that work great out of the box. Dual Mode Hyper-Fast Scroll Wheel. Unlock the scroll wheel for hyper-fast continuous scrolling to spin quickly through long pages, or lock it down for single-click precision scrolling. The weighty, metal wheel delivers confident, smooth and satisfying control for either mode. Tune to your specs. A wide variety of weight and balancing configurations, custom RGB lighting, 11 programmable buttons, on-the-fly DPI shift settings, desk surface tuning and more. Personalize G502 for your gaming setup and style with Logitech Gaming Software. Game-ready details. In addition to the core performance and personalization features, many details were thoughtfully designed. Look for primary buttons rated to 20 million clicks with mechanical microswitches, braided cable with hook and loop cable tie, rubberized grips, magnetic weight cavity door, and more. This is still one of the best gaming mice you can buy. It has amazing build quality, an amazing sensor, and amazing buttons. Going over the design, it's a right-handed mouse that is trying to be like the classic MX518 with a twist, and it does a good job at that. Depending on your hand size, it works with any grip style. It has that gamery look while at the same time looks professional and minimalistic. Not many companies can make a product like that. Design gets an A+. Now for features, this mouse packs a punch. Here are the features you get with this mouse. Well, tension ed button, easy to click but not too easy to click accidentally. RGB lighting, you can change the color of the Logitech logo and DPI lighting. Unfortunately, these are only single zone, so if you change the color of the logo, you also change the color of the DPI lighting. I have this mouse a while, even if I wanted to give it a bad review I could not. Not only does it work perfectly, it works perfectly on any surface and has on-mouse memory, so even if you format, crash, or even change PCs it has all your settings ready to go first time every time. But is that all? No, frankly I have about 30 mice range from $2 to $160 and this mouse is the best. Yeah, you heard me, it's outperforming my $160 mice hands down. I am not only impressed, now I am spoiled. I love it so much I started giving away and selling other mice in hopes to get one for home and one for travel. The DPI gibberish they give you does not do this thing justice. Also the cord is very long and protected by both plastic and a cloth sheath. Man, I am a fan guys. Logitech, this thing is made for me. My only suggestion is make a cleaning tool, cause I find if you eat anything or have some dead skin, it tends to get stuck in the davits on the left side, thumb side, as the incurve of the rubber makes a bit tougher to clean. So not perfection but damn close. Does not slip, no DPI loss, easy to use, idiot-proof, tough, very sensitive, works on anything including reflective tops, mouse pads, beds, human skin, tin cups, water bottles. Okay, I got bored one day and just started seeing how well it would work on various surfaces. Shockingly, it works on damn near anything with little to no effort, or you can use the Learn Surfaces command. Long story short, you want a mouse for gaming or just office, long-term use so ya don't cramp up, buy 1 to 2 of these suckers. It even is better than some of later models by the same company.